Hey guys, this is the backyard blacksmith again. Edit. While I was cleaning my garden, I actually found something out because during the summer I was trying to grow potatoes. However, on the top and such, I had a lot of rotting going on. And well, let's just say that while I'm just now overturning the buckets that I was growing them in, actually yielded quite a surprise, I have to say. So right now I have 3 more buckets of these to go. So let me just show you what I got from the first 3 buckets. So here we have those first three buckets that I emptied, as you can see here on the soil. And this is the load I got from them. I thought because of the rotting and such, it was basically all over. But no, apparently not. So I got all of this out of those 3 buckets. And I have these 3 buckets to go. So yeah, that is just amazing. I really had given up on potatoes for this year, and actually planning on growing new ones next year. However, apparently I got potatoes this year. Well, as I always say, there's always something to learn every day, and I learned something new this day, that even though it looks like it's dead, apparently it is not dead. So keep that in mind. If you're growing something and you think it's dead, you better want to check it again. So see you next time, and please do subscribe, like this video, and yeah, you know everything. See you next time. Bye bye.